Hello friend, myself Sudarshan Fosle from TCOM. Today we will classification algorithm. What is classification algorithm? Classification algorithm is supervised learning technique that is used to identify the category of new observation on basis of training data. In classification program, lenses from given dataset or observation and then classify new observation into number of classes or groups such as yes, no or 0, 1, spam or not spam, cat or dog, etc. Classes can be called as target labels or categories. Classification algorithm. Logistic regression. Logistic regression in machine learning. Logistic regression is one of the most popular machine learning algorithms which comes under supervised learning technique. It is used for predicting the category dependent variable using given set of independent variables. Logistic regression predicts output of category dependent variable. Therefore, outcome must be categorical or discrete value. It can either yes, no, 0, 1, true, false, but instead of giving exact value 0, 1, it gives probabilistic value which lie between 0 1. Logistic regression is much similar to linear regression, except that how they are used. Linear regression is used for solving regression problem, whereas logistic regression is used for solving classification problem. Here we can see graph of logistic regression. Logistic function. We know equation of straight line can be written as y p of 0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 b3 x3 so on plus bn xn. In logistic regression, y can be between 0 1 only, so far let's divide the above equation by 1 minus y. But we need range between infinite to infinite. Takes logarithm equation, it will be log y upon 1 minus y equal to b of 0 plus b1 x1 b2 x2 b3 x3 plus dash plus bn xn. Type of logistic regression. On the basis of categories, logistic regression can be binomial, multinomial, ordinal. Binomial. In binomial logistic regression, there can be only two possible type of dependent variable, such as 0 1. Python implementation. In this table we can see user ID, gender, age, estimate salary of salary, Now, k-nearest neighbor (KNN) algorithm for machine learning. K-nearest neighbor is one of the simplest machine learning algorithms based on supervised learning technique. KNN algorithm assumes the similarity between the new case data and available case. Put the new case into categories that is most similar to available category. KNN algorithm stores all the available data and classifies new data point based on similarity. This means when new data appears, it can be classified into as well as suit categories by using KNN algorithm. KNN algorithm can be used for regression as well as classification, but mostly it is used in classification problem. KNN is non-parametric algorithm, which means it does not make any assumption on underlying data. KNN classifier. We can see in image. Here we can see two different graph before KNN and after KNN. KNN working can be explained basic algorithm. Step 1. Select the number of k neighbors. Select step 2. Calculate Euclidean distance of k number of neighbors. Step 3. Take the k nearest neighbors as calculate Euclidean distance. Step 4. Among these k neighbors, count the number of data point in each category. Step 5. Assign the new data point to category for which number of neighbor is maximum. Step 6. Our model is ready. Here we can see graph. Category and new point. Euclidean distance between a1 and b2 is calculated with formula in square root x in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket complete square plus in bracket y2 minus y1 bracket complete square. By calculating Euclidean distance, we got nearest neighbor as 3 nearest neighbor in category A and 2 nearest neighbor in category B. Consider below image. Advantage of KNN algorithm: it is simple to implement, it removes the noisy training data, it can be more effective if the training data is large. Disadvantage of KNN algorithm: always needs to determine the value of k, which may be complex. Sometimes the computation cost is high because calculating distance between data points for all the training samples. Python implementation of KNN algorithm. Support vector algorithm. Support vector machine of SVM is one of most supervised learning algorithms which is used for classification as well as regression problem. However, primarily used for classification problem in machine learning. The goal of the SVM algorithm is to create baseline or decision boundary that can segregate n-dimensional space into classes so that we can easily put new data point into correct category in future. This best decision boundary is called hyperplane. SVM choose the extreme point vector that help in creating a hyperlamps. Here in this graph we can see Naive Bayes classifier algorithm. Naive Bayes algorithm is supervised learning algorithm which is based on Bayes theorem and used for solving classification problems. It is mainly used text classification articles. Some popular examples of Naive Bayes algorithm are spam filtration, sentiment analysis, and classifying article. It is probabilistic classifier, which means it predicts on basis of probability. Bayes theorem. Formula of Bayes theorem is given as probability of A upon B equal to probability of B upon A into probability of A upon probability of B. P of probability of A upon B is posterior probability of hypostatic A on the observed event B, probability of B upon A. Disadvantage of Naive Bayes classification. Naive Bayes assumes that all features independent and related, so it can be application of Naive Bayes classification. It is used for credit scoring. It is used in medical data classification. It can be used in real-time prediction because Naive Bayes classification is eager learner. It is used to text classification such as spam filtering and sentiment analysis. Here we can see program. here import numpy as MP, import numpy as MP. Here we extracted CSV file of diabetic patient. Classification in here we can detail graph of for patients. Decision 3 clarifies model. Firstly, decision 3 clarify model. Classifying